In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add motion blur effect Affinity Photo. This effect is perfect for adding a sense of speed and direction to your images, whether it's a fast-moving subject or a creative background streak. First, open Affinity Photo and load the image you want to work on. Make sure the correct layer is selected in your Layers panel, since the effect will be applied to whichever layer is active. Next, click Pixel at the top to switch into the Pixel workspace. This ensures you're using the right tools for pixel-based editing. Then, go to the option for a new live filter layer and hover over blur. Live filters are great because they're non-destructive, meaning you can fine-tune or turn them off later without permanently changing your original image. From the blur options, choose motion. This opens the motion blur controls and places a live filter under your selected layer. You'll see your image update as you make changes, which makes dialing in the look quick and intuitive. Now, adjust the radius. Radius controls how long the blur streaks appear, which translates into how fast the motion feels. Start low and increase the value gradually while watching the preview. Small values add a subtle sense of movement that feels natural, while higher values create dramatic speed lines that can be great for action shots or stylized backgrounds. If you notice details smearing too much, simply lower the radius until important edges read cleanly again. It helps to view your image at 100% while you make this decision, so you're judging the effect accurately. Once you've found a radius that supports the story of your image, you're done. The live filter stays editable, so you can revisit it anytime as your edit evolves. That's all it takes to add convincing, adjustable motion blur in Affinity Photo. Quick, clear, and completely flexible.